Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Murf AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Murf AI or the text-to-speech AI on your computer, first open up a preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address murf.ai like this and click on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Murf AI, I guessed guys, but it's not taking the web address murf.ai, and it's on the search bar. But anyways, you can see there is the Murf AI website available at the top of the or the first result of Google. Click over there. It's the same AI, you can the same website or the web address you can see guys. I don't know why the Google Chrome wasn't taking it. And with that being said guys, we are on the home page of Murf AI, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see the line, you can see the login and the sign up button. If you have not yet created an account on Murf, simply click on sign up to go to procedure to create an account on Murf AI. And with that being said guys, let's log into our Murf AI account. So to do that, let's click on login. And over here guys, you can see there are a lot of platforms available over here. You can directly log into your Murf AI with your email or your password, or you can also log into your Murf AI with your Microsoft, Google, or your Slack account, or with your enterprise SSO account from over here. If you click on either of these buttons on the upper section with Google, Microsoft, or Slack, our login page to the respective Google, Microsoft, or Slack platform will open. And if you log into those accounts with your account respectively, you'll be signed into your Murf AI with these accounts. And with that being said guys, same with the enterprise SSO. If you have a SSO enterprise like this, click on that and enter your email address to begin with, but we'll be going back and we'll just be logging into our Murf AI with the personal login buttons. You can do with SSO also guys. So you'll and now over here you'll be required to enter your email address with which you have signed up for a Murf AI account like this, and after that enter your password guys. And with that being done, you can also retrieve your password if you have forgotten it by clicking on the forgot password guys. And with that being said guys, after entering email and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Murf AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.